Hi guys, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make curry powder air-fried fish fillets. This fried fish has the aroma of curry powder and is delicious. It is simple to make and is suitable for most people. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive the simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's air fry your fish now. 2 slices of fish fillet. Cut dry fish fillet. Mix and marinate fish fillet with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon curry powder, and 1 curry flour. Drizzle cooking oil on marinated fish fillet. Place fish fillets into plate and send for air fryer. Drizzle cooking oil on plate to avoid fish stick on plate. Powder fried fish fillet is done. Smells so good. This fried fish is a simple, delicious and spicy way to go with rice, so hurry up and learn it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.